So the task that you need to do, that you need to be able to carry out, the second task, one is to verify that a subset is a subspace. The other is, given a subspace, right, write it as, says for each one is a subspace, parameterize its description such, well, so the first one is, which of these subsets of the vector space of 2 by 2 matrices are subspaces under the inherited operations? For each one that is a subspace, parameterize its description. What parameterize its description means, you can show that it's a subset space by showing it's a span. You don't have to go through and use the subspace test theorem. So what I want you to do is get a handle on this, is look at page 250, okay, and problem 30A, which is, you're given the set A0, 0B, right? Such that A and B are members of R. Let's give this a name. Say, call this set W. And so it's a subset because it's not all the 2 by 2 matrices, because for one thing, you don't have any, you have just zeros there. So the question is this a subspace? Well, if I could write it as show that it's equal to the span of some set, then I know it's a subspace, right? Now, parameterizing it means writing it as a span. So try to rewrite this set of vectors in thinking of M22 as a vector space. We want to say write W as a span of some set, and write down, we want S equals span of, say, T, and then what, so we want this to be filled in, and we want to know what is T.
So, and we want to determine if it's a subspace?
Excuse me?
We want to determine if it's a subspace?
Yes, and one way to do it, now we could do it by taking 2 arbitrary vectors and 2 real numbers and adding them and then showing that the sum is also in the space. But alternatively, we could appeal to the idea of spans and just say, let's show that W equals to the span of some set. And we can say, well, the span of any set is a vector space, so we're done. So this is the same thing as, let's say this was, you've never seen this is the outcome of some linear system, but let's say that you have this as some result. It's just a subset of M, this set of matrices. So you do the same task, right? Now, I don't know, you guys, Catherine or Amise online, and Fruti and Stephen here in person, small class today. So see if you can do this, and if you're not sure how to proceed, like you might be puzzled as to, because it's like disoriented. So that ask, if you don't know how to proceed, then it's okay to ask a question. And then after or if you're puzzled for a while, you can punt, and I just want to give you a chance to see if you can puzzle it out. Are you, let me see. Let's see, what do we do? Okay, we are recording, that's fine. But I'm going to, there.